established in 1824 after breaking away from Duval County. And whereas even prior to its founding, Africans traveled down the St. Mary's River, and enslaved Africans were forced to work not only on plantations such as Harrison Plantation, but also in Yulee, O'Neill, and Nassauville, at ports and oyster factories. And whereas descendants of these Africans have come to be known as Gullah Geechee. And whereas the Gullah Geechee continue to migrate to Nassau County to settle and build family compounds, and whereas many of them graduated from the historic Tech High School in Fernandina Beach and Pine Forest Community School in Callahan, and whereas many visited and still visit historic American Beach, which was founded in 1934 under the leadership of Abraham Lincoln Lewis and partners of the Afro-American Life Insurance Company. And whereas Marvane Betch, who was a direct descendant of Abraham Lincoln Lewis, was the first Florida member of the Gullah Geechee Nation Wisdom Circle of Elders, and whereas Queen Puet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, became the first Gullah Geechee in the world to speak before the United Nations and work closely with Marvane to continue to bring more Gullah Geechee to the Nana sand dune at American Beach to honor their ancestors and had toiled in and built this region. And whereas Queen has been standing up for the rights of the Gullah Geechee people for more than 3 decades and has headed numerous endeavors that have led to global recognition. And whereas in 2006, the U.S. Congress passed the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Corridor Act, which provides $10 million over 10 years for the preservation and interpretation of historic sites and the Low Country relating to Gullah culture. And in January 2014, the Board of County Commissioners approved placement of the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Corridor signs on US 17 and State Road A1A in Nassau County, Florida. Whereas Nassau County Board of Commissioners would like to honor the history and the legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation, now therefore be it resolved by the Board of County Commissioners of Nassau County, Florida, this 24th day of July 2017, that the Board hereby proclaims the week of July 29th through August the 6th, 2017, as the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Nassau County, Florida. The Board extends best wishes as they celebrate this year's Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival in South Carolina from August the 4th through August the 6th, 2017. Thank you, Glenda, for being here tonight. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we'll get a signed copy to you.
Did you want me to take it?
Yes,
Yes. No problem. Chairman Leeper, and to your fellow commissioners and to fellow citizens of Nassau County, I just want to say I appreciate the opportunity to accept this resolution on behalf of Queen Puet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, the Wisdom Circle Council of Elders, and on behalf of the Assembly of Representatives. I'm happy to serve as one of 2 representatives for Florida. William Jefferson is the second representative. And it just gives us great pleasure to thank you for recognizing the foundational role that Gullah Geechee people have played in the history and heritage of Northeast Florida. So thank you again, and we look forward to next.
Thank you, Glenda. Thank you for being here.